Problem, what is it? Given cubic polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x minus 12, we have to find the sum of zeros, sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time, and also we have to find the product of zeros. You include this also. Now it is a cubic polynomial. It is having 3 zeros, having 3 zeros. See, alpha, beta, gamma. See, it is the cubic polynomial is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. A is not equal to 0. P of x 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x minus 12. From this you see what is A? A, B, C, D are coefficients of the variables. What is variable here? X. See coefficients. What is A here? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, C is equal to, don't take 8, take minus 8. C is equal to minus 8, D is equal to minus 12. Now, what are the zeros? Zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. Now, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the formula you have? Minus B by A. Now, what is minus? What is B here? B, 3. 3 by, what is A? A is 2. 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Sum of zeros. If you find the zeros of this cubic polynomial, it will have 3 zeros. If you add them, you will get minus 3 by 2. Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time means alpha, beta. You see, alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha. Beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is equal to C by A. What is C here? Minus 8, you see. Minus 8 by, what is A? 2. This is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. If you find the zeros of this cubic polynomial, if you do sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that's the formula you have, C by A, that is minus 4. Product of zeros, alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus D by A. Minus, what is D here? D is minus 12. Minus 12 by A is 2. We have A 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. Product of zeros is 6. Like that we have to find out. Solution to 11th problem. What is minus 2, 1, 5 are the zeros of cubic polynomial. Then find the values of A and C. What cubic polynomial? We have given cubic polynomial. What is it? P of x is equal to, what is it? X cube minus A minus 1 x square plus bx plus c we have. Now, what is the, from this one, he has given alpha, beta, gamma. He has given alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to 5. So you know this is a cubic polynomial, sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is it? Minus B by A. See, what are the zeros there? Minus 2, 1, 5. Sum. This is minus 2 plus beta is 1 and gamma is 5 is equal to minus b by a. This is zeros. And what is b by a? Quotient. What is coefficients here? A. A is equal to 1. What is b here? Minus a minus 1. What is c here? C is b. What is d? D is c. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See, minus, what is b here? What is b? Already minus a minus 1 by, what is a here? 1. Say this will be the minus 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus into minus plus, you will get a minus 1. And you see 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 is equal to a minus 1. We need the value of a. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to 5. What is the value of a? A is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of c. What is the product of zeros? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is the formula we have? Minus d by a. What is alpha? Alpha, beta, gamma. You have to multiply. Alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to 5, is equal to, this is product of zeros. These are zeros and this is coefficients. Minus, what is d here? What is d? C. By, what is a here? A is 1 is equal to minus c. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10 is equal to minus c. C is equal to 10. Therefore, we have got the values. A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 10. Now, 12th problem. What is 12th problem? Divide x square minus x minus 12 by x minus 3. What do you observe? First, we have to divide x square minus x minus 12 by long division method, that is actual division. See, what is given? 12 on solution. What is given here? P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 12. We have to divide it by x square minus x minus 12. We have to divide it by x plus 3. Already I told you x square by x. X square by x. Cancel. You are getting, what is the, we have to multiply with x. X into x, x square. X into 3 plus 3x. Here, now subtracting this from this, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus x minus 3x minus 4x minus 12. Now minus 4x by x. X cancel. You have to multiply with minus 4. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12. See, subtracting, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Minus 4x plus 4x cancel. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. What is the remainder you are getting? 0. If you get the remainder as 0, then you can say what is the division algorithm? P of x is equal to, I will write x square minus x minus 12. This, so you got 0. This is, g of x, and this is q of x. This is r of x is equal to it. You got 0 as the remainder. X plus 3 into x minus 4. Factors of x square minus x minus 12 are x plus 3 and x minus 4. You can write like this. And also, see, if you want, what do you observe? We observed that x plus 3 is the factor of, you can write p of x. What can you write here? X plus 3 is the p of x. See, p of x is equal to x plus 3 is the factor of p of x, because remainder you got 0. X minus 4 is also the factor of p of x, that is x square minus x minus 12. Then what do you observe? P of x is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 5. X plus 3 is factor of, therefore what do you observe means, we observed x plus 3 is the factor of, is the factor of p of x, that is x square minus x minus 12. What is another factor? What do you observe? First, factor 1, one of the zeros. Factor, what is another factor? X. What do you observe means, you can write x minus 4 is the factor of p of x, because you are getting remainder as 0. You know, if you p of x is equal to g of x into, by division algorithm, gx into qx, what is remainder you got? Remainder is 0. Therefore, this is the divisor of, gx is divisor of px and qx is also divisor, means factor. X minus 4 is factor of. And also, what do you observe means, you can write zeros of x square minus x minus 12, or what are the zeros here? See, if x plus 3 is equal to 0, 0 means p of x is equal to x plus 3 into x. Here I will do p of x is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 4. How can you find zeros? Zeros are nothing but the values of x. Roots. Zeros means roots, you can say. The values of x for which p of x is equal to 0. You make 0. See, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 4. See, x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. What is another 0? X minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. What are the zeros you got? Zeros are minus 3 and 4. These are, we observed that x plus 3 is the factor of x square minus x minus 12. X minus 4 is also factor of the, one of the factors. And also, what are the zeros? If you know the factors, you can find out the zeros. X plus 3 is the factor, then you can say minus 3 is the, zero of the polynomial. X minus 4 is the factor, means 4 is the zero of the polynomial. Now, what is 30th problem? Find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now, what is given? Ax square plus bx plus c, the quadratic polynomial. You know, let alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of polynomial. See, you know, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, sum of zeros minus b by a implies, I will write, what is alpha? Alpha is alpha. This is alpha and this is beta, reciprocals to each other. Alpha is equal to alpha plus what is beta here? 1 by alpha is equal to minus b by a. This is number 1. Next, product of zeros, alpha into beta, c by a, implies alpha into beta, alpha. What is beta here? 1 by alpha is equal to c by a. And here you see alpha cancel. You got c by a is equal to 1. This is number 2. And what is the quadratic polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros, you know, x square into, what is it? P of x is equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now you see x square minus x into what is alpha plus beta. See what is alpha plus beta here? Alpha plus 1 by alpha, what is it? Minus b by a. Plus what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is here, this is c by a. Now you see x square minus x into, this can be written as minus into minus plus bx by a plus what is it, c by a. What is the value of c by a? 1. Therefore, if you take LCM, a is the LCM. Ax square plus bx plus a. This is the required, what is the required quadratic polynomial? P of x solution. What is the required quadratic polynomial? When reciprocals, zeros are reciprocals to each other, 1 by a into ax square plus bx plus a. This is the required quadratic polynomial when zeros are reciprocals to each other. 14th problem. The length of a rectangle is 5 more than its breadth. Express its perimeter in the form of a polynomial. First, what is given? See 14th solution. See a rectangle given. What is given? See p of x is equal to, it is in the form of express perimeter. We don't know what is the express its perimeter in the form of polynomial. We don't know whether it is linear or quadratic. Perimeter, you see, I will see, let the breadth be, I will take x, I will take, and length is equal to, if breadth is b, breadth is x, then what is b is equal to? Breadth b is equal to x. Then what is the length? It is 5 units more than its breadth. Means length is equal to x plus 5. Now you take a rectangle, you draw a rectangle, breadth is x and length is x plus 5. This is length and this is breadth. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 lengths and 2 breadths. L plus B plus B, L plus B. See, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 lengths and 2 breadths. L plus B plus L plus B. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Means 2 into L plus B. See, we will 2 into, what is L here? X plus 5. What is breadth here? X. See, 2 into x plus x, 2x plus 5. See, 4x plus 10. See, it is denoted by p of x. P of x. Because it is in the form of now required polynomial. Given required polynomial, it is p of x is equal to 4x plus 10. The degree is 1. This is given polynomial is linear polynomial. The perimeter means linear polynomial. This is a linear polynomial, degree is 1. Like that you have to express in perimeter. 15th problem. What is 15th problem? P of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus minus k and alpha minus beta is equal to 9 has given. Find k and zeros of the polynomial. We have to find the value of k and also we have to find alpha and beta. Let alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial px. See, we have polynomial px x square plus 3x minus k. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus, what is b here? A is 1, b is 3, a 1, b 3, c minus k, minus b is 3 by a is 1. You got minus 3. Alpha plus beta, you got what? Minus 3. Now product of zeros, alpha beta, c by a. Alpha beta is equal to, what is c here? Minus k by, what is a? Is 1 is equal to minus k. You have alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha minus beta is equal to 9 given. This is given. Adding these two, add plus beta minus beta cancel. We have to add alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha. 9, see, we have to adding 9 plus minus 3. 9 plus into minus 3 means 6. You will get alpha is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now we have got alpha is equal to 3. We can find out beta. What is beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. Substitute the value of alpha in this one. 3 plus, say 3 plus beta is equal to minus 3. Beta is equal to minus 3, minus 3. Beta is equal to minus 6. Now you have got alpha is equal to, alpha how much you got? 3 and beta you got minus 6. Now what is, you have to take this one to find the, we found alpha and betas, zeros we found. Now we have to find the value of k. We have alpha into beta is equal to minus k. Alpha you know 3. What is beta? Minus 6 is equal to minus k. Minus 18 is equal to minus k. You got k is equal to 8. What is the value of k? 18. Therefore, what is given? P of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. This is the required polynomial you have. Now, next we will do method 2. Method 2. You have a doubt, sir, why are you doing second method? You should remember one thing, a problem if you do 10 methods you can do, you have to do 2 methods, 3 methods. How many methods you can do, you have to do. You will get this knowledge about it. Now, method 2. See, what is given here? Given x square minus plus 3x minus k, and also has given alpha minus beta is equal to 9. See, from this one you can find out alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, minus, what is b here? 3 by a is 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha minus beta is equal to 9. You have an important formula, that is very important identity. What is it? Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. You see, remember, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. You will get alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta is nothing but alpha minus beta whole square. Now, what is alpha plus beta? You know here, minus 3 whole square minus 4 into what is alpha? Alpha into beta. You find out alpha beta from here. Alpha beta minus C by A. Alpha beta. What is C? C here minus K. What is A? 1 is equal to minus alpha beta is equal to minus K. What is alpha minus beta? 9 whole square. This is 81. Minus 3 square means 9. Minus it to minus plus 4K. You got 4K. 4K is equal to 81 minus 9. 4K is equal to 72. K is equal to 72 by 4. 4 ones are 4 18s are 18 fours are 72. K is equal to 80. Now we have to find zeros. Now what is he has given? He has given K. Substitute the value of K in this polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 3. This is x. Sorry. 3x minus K. What is the value of K here? Minus K. You see. We will write P of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus, what is the value of K? 80. Now you factorize. Factorize. P of x is equal to x square plus, this is 18. 18 can be written as 6 3s are 80. 6x minus 3x minus 80, like this. X into x plus 6, in minus 3 you take common, you must get x plus 6. X plus 6. You see, you take x common, x plus 6, and minus 3 common, minus 3x minus 18 you will get. Therefore, x plus 6 take common, you will get x minus, what is the common here? Minus 3. Now P of x is equal to, now we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. What is the zeros of polynomial? Value of x, for which P of x is equal to 0. This is 0 is equal to x plus 6 and x minus 3. See, x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6. X minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Means alpha and beta. Zeros you got 3 minus 6. Here also 3. Here also you see alpha 3 minus 6. K, what is the value of K? 80. There also the value of K is 80. Like that you have to do.